What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going on a little journey. We're going to take a lot longer trip today. Probably going to do about a 100-mile trip. And because it's not near as windy today, so we can actually get some good riding and get going a lot faster on the highway. So let's go. Woo! Double fun! Woo! God, dang it, bro. They smoked it. Alright, we're coming up to the first town, first stoplight on the 100-mile trip. We're at the first town now, and we're about to go through it. It's pretty busy today. A lot of traffic. It's a nice day, so everybody's traveling. A little slow down here. Oh man, dead still at a green light. Come on, boy. Well, we just missed that light. Yeah. Alright, we made it through there. We're fixing to stop and fill it up. And it's $3.29 a gallon, so let's go fill this sucker up with some gas so we can finish the rest of the trip out. Time lapse in 3, 2, 1, cue the music. Oh wow, we ripped that. That was 25 miles of riding right there. And we were smoking that highway. That's probably my longest, this is probably my longest trip on the highway today. But I'm really warming up to this bike a whole lot. And it's getting, ooh, that was a hell of a bump right there. But it's getting really easy to maneuver this thing and speed on it and get corner them curves and everything on it. It's getting really easy, and this is a really easy bike to start with. It's really easy to learn how to adjust to and get used to riding. And bike's been a whole lot of fun. And it's already at 930 miles that I put on this thing now. And I bought this brand new. If you didn't see that video, go back and check out the video where we bought it. Because we bought this thing brand new, 2024 Honda CB300R. A lot of fun ripping this thing back and forth every day. And I'm really getting the hang of it, and it's getting a lot of fun. So I would definitely recommend this motorcycle to somebody else that's getting started and trying to learn how to ride a motorcycle. Running up through some farmland right now, and you can see pretty far out here. It's a little bit flatter, but then you got some big hills. It looks pretty cool out this way. Oh boy, with the cow trailer. Go down for this little curve right here. A little bridge. Oh, it looks rough. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was. Sometimes them things are super rough. Now we gotta climb this big old hill. Look that baby going through the hill. Oh yeah. Sharp turn. It's been a long time since I've been back on these roads right here. I don't remember them completely, so I gotta dip right there. The sun is shining today. It was a sunny day, big old lake over there, and they're fixing to plant this stuff. All right. Man, you could definitely tell the difference in the temperature under these trees. It's got to be like 10 degrees different, because it's like 75, and I bet you it's like 60, 65 under these trees, and you can tell it. I think it's cold as soon as you get under it. We're about 75 miles into the trip right now, and we may or may not go. We're We may or may not go even farther than 100 miles. I'm not completely sure yet, but we're going to see. And it's been a really fun ride so far. Let's see what Lacewell is up ahead. We're on the little bitty back road now, and some of these roads is really hard to pass somebody on if there's two vehicles passing each other, as you're real skinny roads and ditches on both sides. It's difficult when it comes to passing a big truck and stuff. Ooh, we slow down for this sharp one right here. More videos today before we quit, but we're going to end this one right here before it gets too long. So thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe.